Majority of the internet would tell you don't do an MBA.
That executive MBA in India.
That's what an MBA.
MBA degree and
MBA students even
इंडियन MBA का जो
MBA does not make sense.
MBA is a scam. It's a useless degree. It's a waste of your time and money and whatnot. See guys, even though I believe this, I don't completely believe this because I don't think so it can ever be one size fits all. You individually have to look back into your journey, your background and see whether an MBA will help you or not, and a lot more of questions that you will have to ask for yourself and then make the decision. See guys, I strongly believe that there are multiple intangible benefits of doing an MBA which people don't realize. In this video, I want to help you answer those questions. And guys, I'm not here to do that alone. I have with me the whole NBS gang who's willing to answer that. Guys, say hi. Guys, trust me, it's a very impromptu video which I just discussed with them that, hey, I want to shoot this. And all these people volunteered to do that. Guys, even though you are doing your MBA, I'm pretty sure आप लोग तारीफ ही करोगे MBA program की. But trust me, the video that is going to be watched by aspirants who are genuinely confused कि MBA करें कि ना करें, what are the benefits, placements, ROI, and multiple questions that are there in the minds of people. I'm pretty sure आप लोगों के भी दिमाग में रहेंगी. So even though you are doing your MBA, I don't want you to सिर्फ तारीफ ही करेंगे. I want you guys to give them perspective of both the goods and the bads in the life, which is great, and the placements and everything, so that they all individually can decide whether they should do an MBA or not. Cool guys, are we good with that? ठीक है, जो भी बोलेंगे सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. Awesome. So introduce yourself first, and then we'll take it from there. Go for it.
Hi, my name is Vanshika Nautiyal and I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Hi, I'm Nirali Makwana and I'm from Vadodara, Gujarat.
Hi, my name is Shruti and I am from Gurgaon, Haryana.
Hi, I'm Kashish Prajapati and I'm from Byawar, Rajasthan.
Hello, my name is Jay and I'm from Maharashtra.
Hello, my name is Rishita Agrawal and I'm from Sindhwa, Madhya Pradesh.
Hello, my name is Abhishek. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Hey guys, I am Anandu and I am from Silvassa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
Hey guys, I am Smith Bhavsar and I am from Ahmedabad.
Hello, I am Aditya Kumar and I am from Samastipur. It's a place in Bihar.
Hi, I'm Jenny Jain from Udaipur.
Hi, I am Ashi Jain. I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
Hi, myself Aditi and I am from Ujjain, MP.
Hi, this is Nivriti Tambuli from Chandrapur, Maharashtra.
Hi, I am Neha Kothari and I am from Mandsaur, Madhya Pradesh.
Hi, I'm Sneh Jain and I'm from Ahmedabad.
Great guys, good amount of diversity that we have here. Now my first question to all you people is, it's been a while that you would have joined because there are some first years here, there are some second years here. So what's the one big change that you've seen ever since you've joined MBA? Anybody can answer that.
I would say communication. The fear of public speaking is one of the major problems. So coming in this program, I have evolved from this field.
And how did you evolve?
During the presentations and the deadlines which we have in this course has eventually evolved all the things.
Okay, anybody else?
I come from Vadodara and this was my first time away from home. So it was really scary at first, but MBA pushes you out of your comfort zone, and I have met many different cultural background and academic background students, and I have made many friends here.
That's very true. I can see the kind of diversity there. Anybody else who wants to answer? Okay, that's really very good. Now my second question to all you people is that what is the biggest misconception that is there in the minds of people, specifically about the MBA students? I'm pretty sure you guys would have also had certain picture about the MBA program, and when you joined it turned out to be very different. So what is it?
I would like to answer that. If you are talking about this, MBA really seems to be a very fancy degree. You attach a lavish lifestyle to it. You think after completing your MBA, there will be a big package waiting for you the next door, but it actually never happens. Trust me, it seems like Saif Ali Khan from 2000, but you will end up being a random character from Gangs of Wasseypur. It's so much hustle, daily assignment, internship, live projects, and after a placement. You have to hustle so much just to make your presence and to cultivate within yourself. So trust me, it's not a sweet cake as it seems.
I think that's a very valid point that he has made because again, it's all that glitters is not gold. But I think this is the hustle that you guys have signed up for. And this is what is going to be with you for life. Anybody else who wants to answer? Okay.
So one of the biggest myth is you should have an work ex while joining an MBA, but I don't think that's a thing, because even if you are a fresher and you have a potential and skill, you will do it. And also, MBA won't make you successful. It will just give a platform to be one. Yeah, that's one.
Great. Anybody else? Okay, that's amazing. Now guys, my next question to all you people is that a lot of people say कि यार MBA में कोई ज़्यादा पढ़ाई है नहीं, or even if it is there, it's just theoretical in nature, जिसका कोई real world, practical world में कोई there's no real life use of it. So I just want to ask you, do you really think that MBA teaches you management or not? And be honest, anybody? Okay.
I want to answer this with the help of an example. Like earlier, we were sitting at the back and judging an event like it is good or bad. But now I am organizing the events and I can see the coordination, the leadership skills, the communication, everything. And I have learned this.
Okay, that's a good anecdote. Anybody else?
Yeah, I want to answer. So MBA actually teaches us management. Like coming from a small background, I share my own example. Like I'm managing hostel and my academic, so this actually teaches me a management, how to balance my own life.
I think this is you also want to add? Okay, go.
I had done my graduation in BCom honors, so I think that is bit theoretical. But since I joined my masters, I really think it teaches me analytically, strategically, and ethically, like how to do my things.
Okay, wow, this is very good. Again, I think you all are indirectly answering what I wanted to put across through this video, which is that a lot of people have not had great undergrads. You know, they are in their small towns where they're born, brought up, so they've not made a lot of friends, have not interacted with people from different opinions. So doing that in an MBA space, I think will really enhance your mindset and, will help you holistically develop, which is a very, very good thing. Now, guys, I just want to ask you another question, which is that what's the most unexpected benefit of doing an MBA? See, we know MBA is done to get a job and get a great salary, all those things. And there are a lot of things that you would have already expected कि यार ये तो मिलेगा ही, ये तो होएगा ही. But what is it that you thought कि ये नहीं होगा and हो गया? Like, what is that unexpected thing? Tell me.
Yeah, so the unexpected thing happened to me, like after I'm coming from a WorkX background and now I'm learning, turning myself from an employee to a leadership role, and which is making me more efficient towards my future roles.
Okay, but I want to ask you more. So, don't you think that you should have just continued working? Why do you think that MBA was important?
Because I was working as an more delicate people, like not getting much out of it. But after MBA, I am getting more myself out of it.
Okay, so what you mean by that is that you were doing a very basic job and you did not have a lot of skills. Now you're learning those skills, and after this, eventually the job will be good.
Yeah.
Great. Anybody else who wants to answer? Okay.
So basically, I'm an engineer, but after joining MBA, my perspective has changed from a job seeker to opportunity builder or into skill learner. And nowadays, I see business everywhere, and my personal confidence has boosted up.
Okay, that's very good, because again, coming from an engineering background, MBA is a different ballgame altogether, because suddenly you start learning business, which is not just codings and all that. Great. Now guys, all of this that I'm listening, right, is great, and I know you guys are candidly sharing your opinions, but this still might be looked at by people who are watching this video as if हम तारीफ कर रहे हैं MBA की, करना चाहिए, अच्छा, because आप लोग कर रहे हो ना, but मैंने नहीं किया है. But I also want you guys to be honest and tell me why people should not do an MBA, because I strongly believe it is not made for everybody. हर कोई जाएगा तो उनके लिए that is why it becomes useless and it's a waste of money, time and all that. So be honest and tell me why people should not do an MBA.
Yeah, sure. I really want to answer this. Why you should not do an MBA. So I must say there are two main things why you should not do an MBA. Firstly, if you are a person who has in mind that you want to earn early and you can't wait for 1 or 2 years more, you have a startup idea, you really should go now and start your startup right now, because there is a lot of competition in market, and after 2 years things will definitely change. So your startup may fade. And secondly, if you are a person who is feeling that you can't do hard work, you can't do CCs, you can't do assignments, and you can't stay core for almost 1 year, so I must say MBA is not for you. You really need to hustle for that.
Great. Anybody else? Okay, I think I would want to add more points, and you tell me if you agree with this or not. I think people should not do an MBA if they're already in a great job where they're being paid really well and they see a good growth path. When they know कि यार ठीक है, इस साल एक साल और करेंगे तो ये promotion मिल जाएगा, ये मिल जाएगा, and that is what they want to do in life, I think they should not do an MBA. Correct? Okay. I think second type of people who should not do an MBA is who have already had a good exposure and have already, are doing their startups or something like that, which again, they know they have to work hard and eventually grow that. Correct? Yeah, I think. So, in contrary to this, people who should do an MBA are the ones who I think are really stuck in their job. With like आपने बोला, basic package, basic role. अब यहाँ से growth का point नहीं पता चल रहा है, तो MBA would be an accelerator for you. Secondly, I think people who have, again, जैसे आपने, you came from a small town, right? So आप लोग parents के साथ ही रहे. So that exposure of being on your own, managing your routine, looking out for food, all those things are important. Guys, just one last question that I have for all you guys is that, see, indirectly, people know कि अगर अच्छी job चाहिए, अच्छा salary चाहिए, then MBA is that गंगा जहाँ पे डुबकी मार ही लो. you know, because you will immediately go 3 lakh rupees के package में तो 9 lakh rupees के package में चल जाएगा, all that. But the question majorly arises for people who want to get into leadership or entrepreneurship. उनको करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए, because they are investing their time and money. So what is it that you would want to advise to those people? Anybody? Okay, you there? You tell me.
So I believe it completely depends from person to person. So somebody who has already entered into their entrepreneurial journey and who has already started their startup and they are doing very well and they are very good with their leadership skills, they should continue with their startups only. But if you are someone who is looking to enhance their soft skills and want to learn subjects like finance, marketing, operations, how does all of that work when you're starting your own startup, so they should go for an MBA. Also, there are multiple colleges who provide incubation centers where you can start, where you can work on your startups. So yeah, Narayana Business School is one of them. So somebody who wants to start their startup from the college itself, so they can go for an MBA.
I think great point that you talked about incubation. I have 2 things here. Number 1, do you genuinely use the incubation center here or not? You guys do?
Yes.
Okay.
Students who are working on their startups, they do use their the incubation center.
Great. And how do you think the incubation center helps you? Like, ठीक है, I can understand for those people who are not very sure if they should jump into their startup right now, मतलब because business का कीड़ा सब में होता है, but they are very scared कि यार risk ले कि ना ले, then this 2 years can be that forming ground for you where you can experiment with the incubation center and do that. But how much of actual support is given? यार मतलब बच्चे ठीक है जा रहे कर रहे हैं, but how much is it being held by the management of the faculty, or is it just a room that they made कि ठीक है business करना है करो? Anybody? Yes.
Yeah, I must say for the people who are freshers and who want to start their startup but from the ground level they don't have any knowledge. So college is a very good platform for them because here incubation centers and the events like Pitchathon and all where investors do come and the pitchers, the students can pitch their startups over there and the investors will directly invest into their startups. And also the incubation center here will also help them for growth. Not even in the 2 years, after that also they give them the proper help.
No.
Yes.
Like I have a startup idea and I've talked to like dean of our college itself, and she's helping me with copyrights and patents and how to do everything. So yes, they are definitely helping us.
कि जिसको अभी मतलब कन्फ्यूज़न है कि मेरे को जॉब करना है कि स्टार्टअप करना है, तो उनके लिए भी ये MBA एक बहुत अच्छा प्रेफरेंस है. और यहाँ पर आके आप फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं. आपको यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छी मेंटरशिप मिलती है फैकल्टी से जो आपको इन सब चीज़ में हेल्प कर सकती है. आपको डाइवर्सिफाई बैकग्राउंड डिपार्टमेंट से ये हेल्प हो सकती है.
I think this is really very good, guys. Glad that I asked this question about entrepreneurship because abhi mere dimag mein aaya. But it's a very important question that has to be answered because you know, a lot of people want to do business and I would want to support them to do because we need more entrepreneurs in our country. But because you don't have the right ideas, you don't have the right networks, you don't have the right skill sets, it's too early to jump and then burn your hand. So it's might as well, you know, you experiment and then you see. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much. You guys have been really kind. I wish you all the best. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you like it, guys, please say subscribe to my channel, okay? Yes.